All right, today we're going to bring a mold stain cleaner. It's a deep cleaner, and you can use it for actually your washer. It says do not use in aluminum, so you cannot use this around your actual faucet. Just make sure you're aware of that. Don't mix it up with other chemicals. They give you the actual brush, so you can concentrate on certain areas. And also different types of heads, so you could concentrate on where you want to actually set up. So we do have in our bathroom, it's a little moldy in certain areas on our faucet area, so we're going to actually use this, but we're going to use it on a different material, not the faucet itself directly. We're going to use it around it where it's actually growing, because we added some soap on the top and we never move it. Mold goes in there, so we're going to go ahead and use this. All right, here we are. We're going to go ahead and remove the cap. We removed the plastic already. And this is what I'm talking about, where, look at that, all that mold growing there too. This is our third bathroom. We don't concentrate too much. We need to start doing that and cleaning it up more often. So let's go and clean it up. Mold, just put some stain here. It's liquid, because you can see it's like soapy in there. And on this side too. There it goes. It's like a gel pretty much. You guys can see it. So we're concentrating here, not the aluminum, because we don't want to make sure we don't damage our aluminum. We're going to brush this a little bit, rinse it out just a little bit, and then I'm going to start circling circles. You could use safety gloves if you want. It's up to you. So this is very effective, especially to remove the mold. Very good, easy to use, and concentrate your power on one area where it's very effective. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.